Welcome back to our thin series, Tiny Fittings, Big Impacts. In today's video, we introduce our pipe clips. Although small, pipe clips play a crucial role in securing conduits, ensuring they stay in place. They help maintain neat, organized, and safe installation. Our PVC pipe clip come in a variety of sizes and colors. Available sizes in 20mm, 25mm, 32mm, standard colors are gray, also provides black and white, suitable for fixation of rigid conduit and corrugated conduit. And we offer customization options to meet your specific requirements. Whether you need to find a pipe clip for small or large conduit, we have the right fit for your project. A unique feature of our pipe clip is that they can be placed on the conduit and will not fall off with the movement of the conduit before being fixed with screws. This will facilitate installation by engineers. Our high-quality pipe clip ensure a security fit and reliable performance. They meet the AS/NZS 2053 standard. For specialized applications, we have direct low smoke, zero halogen, and solar series. Designed to withstand outdoor conditions, our pipe clips are UV resistant and durable. They maintain integrity even in harsh environments. Our pipe clips are designed for easy installation and long-lasting durability, perfect for both residential and commercial electrical conduit installation projects. Thank you for your watching. For more information, visit our website. If you would like to learn more about conduit fittings, feel free to leave a comment below the videos. See you next time.